Hello, ngayong gabi Cebu, Ukulele Cebu in Cebu City. My name is Paul, Kaka with Ukulele Cebu, and I hope everybody's okay with the disaster that we have earlier, the earthquake. And I know you guys are at home. Let's pray that earthquake will not come back. I know there's a lot of aftershocks right now, but let's just hope that everybody will be fine. Um, I'm actually the teacher of the week for Ukulele Cebu. Unfortunately, I'm making this video in time of the distress, but I just want to share a song to keep everybody calm. This is I'm gonna teach you a song from Bob Marley. It's called Three Little Birds. So if you don't have anything to do right now, you can grab your ukulele and jam with me. The original chord for this, the key of this song is the key of A, this one. But I'm more comfortable with 2 steps lower. So it's instead of using the key of A, I use the key of G. For, depende na sa inyong tingog, depende sa inyong comfort zone. So I think for girls, you can get an A. For men, I think it's comfortable for G, especially if you have a low tone, low pitch voice like me. G, of course. You can this on the 2nd fret. You can clip this one. You can clip the 2nd fret and your this finger on the 2nd and the 3rd fret, which pressing the 2nd string, and this finger on the 4th fret, 4th string. This is how it looks, and this is how it sounds. That's your G. And the next chord involved in this song is letter C, of course, our favorite. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 3rd fret, 1st string. And also that in this song will use a D. 1, 2, 3. 2nd fret, D. The 1st string is left open. So this is how it sounds. Those 3 chords are used in throughout the whole song. So like this one. The strumming for this, I'll teach you downward strum. I think it's called downward strum. It's using 4 fingers, like this. For example, do it first. This one, baby finger, I guess. 1, and then this. Then this is the next. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So make it faster. It's like that. It's like trum, trum. That's the downward strum. So the strum for this is a little bit reggae. Of course, this is a reggae song, so it's gonna be like this. Make it faster first. It involves a tap. So after the down, there's a, and how you do that? It's you just hit it with these fingers here, and then hold it. So the strum is downward strum. Use this up and then tap. Again, it's downward strum up, tap. Downward strum up, tap. Downward strum up, tap. Downward strum up, tap. So you do it over and over again like this. So that's again downward, up, tap, downward stroke, up, tap. So I'm gonna sing the song, so you'll be guided. So actually I haven't memorized this much, but I'll try. Here it goes. Don't worry about the thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright, yeah. I said don't worry about the things, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile at the rising sun's day. Real little bird. Again, libo ko sa rise up this morning, G. Smile at the rising sun. Three little birds came to my doorstep, singing sweet song, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Instead of don't worry about the things, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. I said don't worry about the things, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. So, mara to, balik-balik. Again, it's downward, up, tap, downward, up, tap. And then you just change it G, G, C, and they have a D. You can practice it together with the song, or you may use A. That's the original key, but I'm just using G because I just like to sing in a low pitch voice. But anyways, I hope you learned something, and every week with Ukulele Cebu, we will have different teachers every week. We will just draw by lots who's gonna teach you a song every week. So for those who want to learn, and by just watching the video, check our teacher of the week video every week in Ukulele Cebu. And yep, once again, hope Cebu, everybody would keep calm, and God bless us all. I know everything's gonna be alright. So thank you so much for supporting Ukulele Cebu, and hope you jam with us soon. Thanks, and you have a safe night.